Yeah, so I 3D printed these cradles to line up the cells, and I also lined up these caps because these things they are rated for 150 amps, and when shorted they're even higher. So if I were to drop this tool here, it would basically melt this tool instantly. So it's very important to shield them. I'm gonna rewire this because this was for a very cheap, very dodgy looking BMS that came with the kit, and I'm not gonna use that. I bought a top of the line BMS, so I'm gonna rewire this. Because this LiFePO battery is so large, normal battery cases don't fit. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a hassle, and I ended up getting this niche casing. It is actually used for housing electrical outlets in your yard. If you have a sprinkler, you can use this to keep it dry. And it's got cable routing like this, which is good, but I still need to make a charge port on the outside, XT60. I'm gonna mount this here. I think I nailed it. So this point of the BMS, you do the 3-point connection. So I need to go to the charge port and the motor. And so yeah, I didn't know really how to get 3 points connected. In the end I use this, which is too bulky, but it will have to do. Some padding here and here to make sure it doesn't move. To the motor, to the charger, and the BMS.